Well, May is here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new, but I want to give an extra special thanks to any returning subscribers because it's been 2.5 years since I've last posted a video. So if you decided to show up, and for me, I really appreciate you. With that being said, since it has been 2.5 years since my last video, if you are a returning subscriber, you're probably wondering, why does this girl look like a hot mess? There's a reason for it. There's a reason for it. Before we get into all that, I will be making continuous content on multiple platforms, so be sure to follow me on all of them. First off, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so that way you can be notified anytime I post here on YouTube. Also follow me on TikTok. I'm also there as May is here, and also on Instagram as May is here 911, so that way you can follow me wherever I'm showing up. Now, with that being said, the reason for the atrociousness that is my hair right now. Well, first off, I'll be doing a product review for you guys. You can kind of see the products back here. Shea Moisture decided to release a new bond repair line. And, you know, I haven't been on YouTube face to face like this, but I've been a viewer. I've been seeing the curly hair community and all the different curly hair lines coming up with their own different bond repair lines. And, you know, they've been popping off with it. So, you know, I'm here for it because, you know, I love me some Olaplex number 4. And, but the stuff is 8 ounces for $50. It's not cheap. People want to color their hair. They want to do heat stuff to their hair. Or they just manipulate their hair a lot and it gets weak over time, you know, and they don't want to, you know, feel like they need to do a big job every time they do something drastic to their hair. They want products that work. But, you know, maybe at an affordable price range, because some of us, you know, again, we still want to color our hair. We want to do things without, you know, breaking the bank. So with this Shea Moisture Bond Repair line, it's really great if it works. We're about to find out. As y'all can see, my hair is bleached. It is blonde. I literally just bleached it last weekend. Parts of my hair, like especially this bottom part, got bleached twice because I could not get the ginger that I had in my hair out. So yeah, and I thought my curls almost died, because they almost did. They were almost gone. Part of my hair was just almost gone, and now it's extremely dry, and you know, it's not looking too cute right now. It looks like the whole struggle. Yeah, let's go ahead and see if these products work, because they're only $15-16 a bottle. Yeah, let's go ahead and see if these products can save my hair and do what they claim to do. Alright guys, so jumping right into things, I'm starting off with the Almond Oil Bond Repair Shampoo with Restorative Hydroplex Infusion. Now, this is part of their 4-step system that rebuilds broken hair bonds and achieves 6 times stronger hair, at least according to the claims on the bottle. I can say that I really enjoyed this shampoo. Now, this is a more moisturizing shampoo, and I have to say I'm pretty picky when it comes to moisturizing shampoos. I've noticed with some, it just feels like they're leaving a film on my hair. It doesn't feel like they're cleansing my hair as much as I need them to, even when I do like 2 or 3 washes sometimes with them. But this one I really enjoy. It still maintains a certain level of moisture in my hair when I rinse it out. It's not overly drying or anything, but it's also making sure my scalp actually gets cleansed. I also work in fast food, so my hair gets exposed to like all like the steam and oils from all the grease and everything that's around. And obviously I'm moving a lot, so that means my scalp is sweating a lot. So very, very important I have something that I can reliably cleanse my hair with, but also doesn't strip my hair. Now that my hair is color treated, and some of it has been bleached like 3 or 4 times at this point. So I need something that makes sure my hair stays moisturized, but also properly cleanses my scalp. And that can be hard to find in a moisturizing shampoo, or any shampoo for that matter. But I feel like this really does do a great job. The first lather, of course, not that much you know, suds going on, but once you get to that second lather, you get the proper amount of suds that usually most of us tend to look for. And I noticed, like, once I rinsed this out of my hair, and this is my first time using the shampoo in this video, my hair was super shiny, it's defined, and it felt good. Like, it felt a lot better just from the shampoo alone. So I can tell that the moisturizing aspects of this line are helping. It also just looked a little bit stronger, again, because it was looking like it was kind of starting to define a little bit more too, in the way that I would like to see my hair be. So yeah, I really enjoyed the shampoo. I think I would repurchase this just again because it's moisturizing enough to where it's keeping the health of my hair intact, but at the same time it's making sure it's cleansed enough so I can repeatedly use a moisturizing shampoo every week versus having to clarify all the time. Alright guys, so up next is the Almond Oil Bond Repair Conditioner with Restorative Hydroplex Infusion. I did really like this conditioner, and I would say probably of all the products, this actually is probably my favorite one. I usually don't care too much about conditioners, but since this is a 4-step system, the conditioner I feel like plays a key role. I would say it's the most moisturizing item out of the entire line. So if you're someone who just likes to condition, or if you like to have a conditioner for a pre-poo, I think this is a great thing to have in your stash. It's really moisturizing, has good slip, and I don't feel like I have to use too much to get the amount that I need to actually properly detangle my hair. It's pretty easy. My hair has thinned out a little bit because of the bleach though, so that definitely probably helps it out in that sense. But overall, I do think it's a really great product. I think if you use them more damp hair, I think it would have pretty good slip. And it just smooths nicely through my hair. It's easy to tangle with, and of course it's a conditioner, so I have to keep it for like 2 to 3 minutes to get the effects, and then my hair is just nicely smoothed out. Yeah, I've been pretty much using all these products back to back for the last couple weeks since I recorded this video, and I can say that I thoroughly enjoyed this product. I didn't think I would like a conditioner that much, but I really genuinely love this conditioner, and it does exactly what I need it to do, which is quickly moisturize and detangle my hair. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice little conditioner to have in your stash, I think this is a good product to also invest in as well.
About the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Alright, so up next is the Almond Oil Bond Repair Mask with Restorative Hydroplex Infusion, once again. I do enjoy this mask, and I think this is the product in the line that actually does most of the bond repair. I feel like this is the main thing that, and I lightly put, is a dupe for the Olaplex number 3. Because it's not the most moisturizing product out of all like the more moisturizing products in the line, like the conditioner, this mask, and then the LeaveIn. But I think this is the main thing that helps really smooth out your strands. It helps really restore like the bonds in your hair, and when you're actually styling your hair after you finish washing it, this is what kind of shows that big difference in having that smoothness of like applying products in your hair. Because if you've ever like bleached your hair several times, or really like dried out your hair significantly through heat styling, you can tell how rough your hair feels over time, and it just doesn't feel the same. It doesn't feel good when you're applying your styling products to your hair. And I feel like this has really made a difference, especially over using it the past couple of weeks, of making sure that my hair feels a lot smoother and it doesn't feel as rough when I'm applying any new products. Or even like today, I don't have any product in my hair at all right now, and it looks really defined. It's still pretty soft despite the fact that there's no products in my hair, and it just makes it feel like this is really the product in the line that's doing that bond repair. I think it's good that they do have the conditioner beforehand. The conditioner is more moisturizing than the mask, because I feel like that allows us just to do what it needs to do, which is just their bond repair. Again, this is my assumption because they're not very clear with the claims on any of the products in terms of what specifically does what. But I think this is the main thing that actually does the bond repair out of all of the 3 products in the line. So if you were only to buy one product from this line, this probably would be the product if what you're looking for really is bond repair, because I think this is what this does. And then you can just use whatever your favorite conditioner or even deep conditioner beforehand, and then follow up with this, and you only leave it in for 5 minutes, rinse it out, and then you get those effects. So yeah, I do like this product. It's definitely made a big difference to my hair. It's just that the slip isn't amazing. It's fine. It's good enough to do what you needed to do. And it's moisturizing just enough to, make your hair feel okay. But that's just not the main job, I don't think, of this product. The main job is really just to make sure your hair gets smoothed out and your strands are a lot healthier after using this product. So I do like it, and I would recommend getting it. I think it's a good replacement for Olaplex number 3. So yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on the mask. Alright, so next we're starting off with the styling process. So I started off with a bonding oil made with amla oil. This is a lightweight strengthening oil. It moisturizes, provides 24-hour frizz control, and heat protection. Now, this particular item is not a part of their 4-step system, but seems to be the extended part of their line. I mainly picked it up because of the Clean for Heat protection. I do always diffuse my hair, most times diffuse my hair, so I needed a new heat protectant. So I picked it up mainly for that reason. I will say it applies a little better to damp hair than to dry hair if you are using it as a heat protectant, or otherwise you can use it just to fluff out your hair or to take down like twists or something if you're using the oil for that purpose on dry hair. I don't have much to say about it. It smells good. The packaging along with the rest of the line is pretty cute, and yeah, it just feels nice on the hair. There's not really much to comment on. I think it's also the same price as the rest of the items, where it's like $15 to $16 and it's 3.3 fluid ounces. So I do think this is a bit pricey for an oil, because I know there's definitely cheaper oils that you can buy for the same amount or even more for a lot less money in comparison. So I feel like you're mainly paying for the packaging and also the brand, realistically speaking, when you get this oil. But it's not a bad buy, I would say, but it's not anything required. So if you like it, again, it does smell good and it feels nice, you can get it. If you want to skip out on it, I don't think you're really missing out on anything either, though. But I do like it and definitely will continue using it until it's gone. Alright, so the last item in this 4-step system is the Amla Oil Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner with Restorative Hydroplex Infusion. Now, though on the front it says it's a leave-in conditioner, it does kind of try to sell itself as a one-and-done product, because the directions do tell you that you can apply to clean, damp hair and rake through from root to tip, and then scrunch hair upward for more texture. Do not rinse. This is definitely just a leave-in conditioner. Now, I will say I have seen other YouTubers use this as a one-done product, and unlike myself, were able just to rake it through versus like shingling or finger coiling their whole entire head to get good results with this product. However, the YouTubers who I have seen do that, they have dark colored hair that looks like it has never been color treated. Doesn't look like they apply a lot of heat to their hair or do anything that would make their hair more frizz prone, and these people are also about the same texture as me as well. They're type 3 or lower. So I think anyone with type 4 hair or very frizz prone hair is going to need to at least place a gel on top. Now, this does work better with a gel. It'll give you the definition that you need without having to, again, shingle or finger coil your entire head like I had to do in this video. But just judging it as a leave-in by itself, it's okay. But I will say, despite it being such a thick product, I had to be very heavy-handed with it to get the level of moisture that I want out of my leave-in. So I think there's definitely better leave-ins in the Shea Moisture family as a whole and just in other brands. I think this is definitely a product that you can skip out on. I know this line claims itself as a 4-step system, but as far as the bond repair goes, I'm pretty sure a majority is done with the mask itself, maybe in combination with the conditioner and the mask. But really, I'm pretty sure it's just the mask that's doing the bond repair. And then you can use any other conditioner or moisturizing shampoo to help maintain the health of your hair while you're rebuilding the bonds back in your hair. And likewise, get whatever leave-in gives you the most moisture, and also maybe some strengthening products as well. But yeah, it's not a bad product, it's just not the best. And I feel like it's very easy that you can just skip over this product and get a different leave-in that you prefer, or maybe just get like an actual cream style that you like using that gives you both moisture and definition. But yeah, I will of course use this up, and it's almost gone because again I've had to be very heavy-handed with it. But it's definitely not a product that I would bother to repurchase from this line. Alright guys, this is my final results on these products. This is day 2 hair, basically. My hair was dry for like 4 hours last night, but you know, nonetheless, it's day 2 hair. I slept on it, and I just did a slight refresh to this section because obviously it got flattened during my sleeping. But as you can tell, the curls are holding up very, very well. And even though I did shingle everything, I'm still pretty impressed considering that I only used the LeaveIn and the oil from this line to go ahead and get these results. Like, this looks pretty good. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this line. If you have pretty healthy hair, you probably don't need these unless you're looking for something that's still just good for keeping like maintenance. And if you have healthier hair, using that leave-in by itself and just raking in sections probably will work a lot better for you. So that's something to keep in mind as well. And guys, if you did enjoy this review, be sure to give it a like and comment down below. Let me know, are you gonna go ahead and try these products? Why or why not? But y'all, I'm sorry if I sound out of breath, y'all. I literally had to leave in like less than 10 minutes to get to work on time, and this is not my work clothes, so yeah, in a little bit of a rush. But yeah, go ahead and make sure you give this video a like. Don't forget to follow me here on YouTube and on TikTok as May is here, and also on Instagram as May is here 911. And I can't wait to see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.